Hey everyone! Today I'm going to walk you through how to use UDP Tunnel Plus, a handy app for creating secure UDP connections on your Android device. Let's start with the basics. When you open UDP Tunnel Plus, you'll see this simple interface with Home and Logs tabs at the top, Connection Status, currently disconnected, Config version information, country selection, and a big Start button. Before connecting, you can choose from servers in many countries including United States, Canada, Germany, France, and many more across Europe and Asia. Simply tap on your preferred location. Now let's connect. When you hit Start, here's what happens. 1. The app checks your device info. This shows it's running on an Infinix X695 with Android 11. 2. It begins the UDP request. 3. Adds DNS servers, 1.11.1 and 8.88.8 in this case. 4. Establishes routes for your traffic. 5. Starts the Tun2Socks service. And voila! You're now connected through the UDP tunnel. Don't forget you can check the Logs tab to see detailed connection information and troubleshoot if needed. That's all there is to it. UDP Tunnel Plus makes secure UDP connections simple. Give it a try and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.